He will always be a he. By Wayne Altman. There once was a boy with a laugh full of glee, who climbed every branch of the old maple tree. He splashed in the puddles, he raced with the wind, he built cardboard castles and proudly moved in. Some days he wore blue, some days he wore green, some days he wore colors that no one had seen. He liked trucks and blocks, he liked music and art, he liked muddy old boots and a very kind heart.
One day fairies said, "You are not what you seem. You can choose what you are, like a hat or a dream."
The boy scratched his head and looked down at his shoe. But I'm still just me, whatever I do. If I paint my face purple or wear a red tie, I'm still the same person inside, am I? If I dance with a ribbon or climb up a tree, that does not change what was given to me. A rooster may crow in a very soft way.
A lion may nap through the heat of the day.
A duck may not quack, a dog may not bark, a firefly still shines when it glows in the dark. You can change your hair, you can change your clothes, you can change your socks and the size of your bows, you can change your shoes, you can change your name. But boys are still boys, and that truth stays the same. His mother then smiled and said, "That is right. You were wonderfully made from the start of your life. You can be gentle, you can be strong, you can be quiet, you can sing a loud song. You can like flowers, you can like drums, you can bake cakes or do big math sums. No costume can change you, no label can too. You are not a mistake, you are wonderfully you." Talk to your children, say they're always enough, even when questions get tangled and tough. So he ran to the yard with a shout full of cheer, "I am who I am, and I have nothing to fear."
He jumped and he laughed beneath the bright tree. I was born as a boy, and I'll always be he.
And whenever the world made things muddy or wild, he remembered the truth he had known as a child. Be kind to all people, let everyone be. But as for this boy, he will always be he. He will always be a he. By Wayne Altman.